Hello everyone. In this video we'll be discussing about how to get the input from the user in Python. As we are in a series of Python coding, so this is the second video I am doing regarding the Python. Okay. So in this like how to get the input we are getting from the user, right? Basing upon input values, we are going to do some calculation. Basing upon the calculation, we will obtain the result and will display the result, right? So the very first thing the question comes is like how to get the input, how to get the input from the user. So now what I have to write here, you observe here, a equals to, I am writing, okay. So input is the function we have to use. Enter a, enter a. Okay, there is one issue here. I will discuss later. Printf, there is only print, and I am going to print a value, right? So now let me execute the code. So what is happening here is I have taken the input function. I made a call to input function. Very first the input function will ask user to enter a value. Okay, you will be entering, the user will be entering. After entering the a value, the value will be stored and will be printed here. Enter a, no, I'm entering 34. What is the output I got? It 34, right? So now I am giving b equals to input of enter b. Okay, look here, a value is there. After that I will try to print b also. So now a value will be printed and b value will be printed, and let us see. Enter a, 34 I have entered, and you observe here 34 is the value entered, and it is asking again enter b. Now for 56 will be entered. The value entered 56 will be stored in b. The value entered 34 will be stored in a, and both the values are to be printed, right? So 34 and after that 56 is got printed. So we are able to print both the results, right? So now what I am trying to do is a plus b. Obviously a value will be entered, b value will be entered, and addition of two numbers result to be displayed, right? So see here you need to concentrate bit. 67 is the a value I have given, and b value I am giving 12. Obviously 67 plus 12 how much? 79, right? That is the answer to get, but I am not able to get 67 plus 12. I am getting two different values, 67, 12. Why? Why? Because here whatever the value we are entering will be stored in the variable a. That 67 what we are entering here will be stored into a in the string format. By default the value whatever we are given from the user will be stored in the string format, and b value also 12 entered, that is also getting stored in the string format. And it is not possible for you to add two string formats of 67 and 12. That's why the system is giving 67, 12 separately. Then the question comes how to perform addition of two numbers now. Now my answer is, look at here, out of that what I am writing, int, like this. So here also I am writing int, like this. So what I am trying to do is whatever the input value you are getting which is in the string format, that will be again converted into integer format. Int here I am in integer input, string input which we are getting in the from the user is going to be converted as integer 67, and that is going to be stored in here. Similarly with b, the 12 value what we are entering, obviously it will be getting in the form of string, but that we will be converting into the integer. After that converting the 12 number which is in string format into integer form and getting stored. Now see what is the result we are going to get. I am going to execute now. It is asking enter a, 45 is the value given, 67 is the next value given. What is the output I got it now? I did not get 45, 67 separately. I got addition of two numbers. 45 plus 67 how much? 112. This is happened only because we have converted the string value, the value 45 which is in string form into the integer form. As it is performing now integer of addition of two numbers. In this way, the addition of two numbers has been done. Okay. So now, this is the second code, how to get the input from the user. Okay. And similarly, you can change it to float also. Here also you can change it to float. Okay. Now let me execute this. A value 12.5, B value 56.7, and result 12.5, 56.7, and the result is 69.2. Addition of two numbers. Here 12.5 will be by default will be getting obtained in string format, but we are converting into float form. Okay, float is the data type, just like decimal numbers 12.5 like that, right? So yeah, that's why I'm converting into float. And addition of two floating point numbers is the result we are getting here. Hope you understood how to get the input from the user. This is the second video I'm making on Python. So in coming example, we'll be discussing about a few example programs using Python, followed by conditional statements, if else, else if ladder, like that, similar to that. We have in the structure control statements here that we'll be discussing. Hope you understood. Thank you.